Did you know that some people make over $1 million a year just by sending emails? Sounds crazy, right? But it's real. And the best part? You don't need a huge following or a fancy website to do it. You just need to know the strategy. Imagine waking up, sending out a simple email, and seeing your bank account grow before you even finish your coffee. That's the power of a high-converting newsletter. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own step-by-step. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Profit Hacks, where we dive deep into strategies that actually help you make money online. If you're serious about building your income streams, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss a profitable tip. All right, let's jump right into it, because I know you're here to learn how to turn simple emails into serious cash. So, how do $1 million newsletters actually work? Understand the power of a niche. The first key to building a $1 million newsletter: choose the right niche. Many people make the mistake of going too broad, trying to appeal to everyone. But here's the truth: specificity sells. Think about it. If you're looking for fitness tips, would you rather get advice from a generic health newsletter or one that focuses only on quick home workouts for busy professionals? The more specific the niche, the more valuable it feels. To pick a profitable niche, focus on markets where people are already spending money, like health, wealth, and relationships. But go deeper. Instead of health, go for meal plans for people with autoimmune conditions. Instead of wealth, focus on side hustles for college students. The goal? Solve a real, specific problem or feed a passion. And here's a simple test. Ask yourself, are people in this niche actively looking for solutions and willing to pay for them? If yes, you've struck gold. Build an audience without a huge following. You don't need millions of followers to make real money with a newsletter. Smaller, engaged audiences can be even more profitable. The key? Build trust and connection. Start with a lead magnet, something valuable like a free checklist, quick start guide, or exclusive tips. In exchange for their email, make it irresistible. For example, if your newsletter is about side hustles, offer a guide like Top 5 Side Hustles You Can Start This Weekend. Then, use social media to funnel people to your email list. Share short, valuable tips on Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok. And include a call to action like, want my list of tools that help me make $5,000 online? Grab it for free. Link in bio. The focus isn't on having thousands of subscribers. It's about having the right ones who are engaged and interested in what you offer. Craft emails that actually get opened, with the average person receiving 121 emails per day. Your email needs to stand out. And it starts with the subject line. It's your first and sometimes only chance to grab attention. Instead of 5 productivity tips, go for your wasting 3 hours every day. Here's how to fix it. Curiosity and urgency are key. Once they open it, keep the email short, personal, and direct. Write like you're talking to a friend. Share a quick story, a valuable tip, or a relatable problem. Then, guide your reader to take action. Whether it's clicking a link, checking out a product, or replying. And don't overcomplicate it. Sometimes a simple message like, hey, I found this tool that could save you hours. Check it out here, works better than a long explanation. The secret? Spark curiosity, create connection, and always include a clear call to action. Monetize smartly. Let's talk about the fun part, making money. There are 3 main ways to monetize your newsletter. 1. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products and earn a commission for every sale. Just make sure they're things your audience will actually value. 2. Your own products or services. Sell an ebook, course, or coaching. Your subscribers already trust you, making them more likely to buy directly from you. And 3. Sponsorships. As your list grows, brands will pay to promote their products to your engaged audience. Take Morning Brew, for example. It started as a college side project and now makes millions through sponsorships, simply by consistently delivering valuable content to a loyal audience. But here's the trick. Don't turn every email into a sales pitch. focus on giving value first. When people trust you, they'll buy from you naturally. Whether you're starting with affiliate links or aiming for brand deals, the path to profit is the same. Serve your audience well, and the money follows. Automation is your secret weapon. One of the biggest advantages of running a newsletter is that you don't have to be glued to your computer every day, manually sending emails. With the right tools, you can create systems that work for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Automation is your secret weapon. One of the biggest advantages of running a newsletter is that you don't have to be glued to your computer every day, manually sending emails. With the right tools, you can create systems that work for you 24/7, even while you sleep. Platforms like ConvertKit, MailChimp, or Beehive make this simple. They let you set up automated email sequences that guide your subscribers from the moment they join your list, building trust and leading them toward making a purchase, all on autopilot. Here's how it works. The first thing you want to set up is a welcome series. Think of it as the digital version of a first handshake. It usually consists of 3 to 5 emails that go out automatically over a few days. The goal here is to introduce yourself, provide value, and show subscribers why they should stick around. Start with an engaging first email. Thank them for joining, deliver the freebie you promised, like your ebook or checklist, and briefly explain what they can expect from your newsletter. In the next few emails, share helpful tips, personal stories, or resources that solve a specific problem for your audience. Then, in the final email, softly introduce an offer, whether it's an affiliate product, your own course, or a paid service. The beauty of automation is that it creates a consistent experience for every new subscriber, no matter when they sign up. It's like having a sales funnel running in the background, nurturing leads and making sales without any extra effort on your part. And once your welcome series is set, you can create other automated sequences, like a mini course, a product launch series, or even an abandoned cart reminder if you sell products. With automation, you're not just saving time. You're building a system that can scale. Whether you have 100 subscribers or 100,000, the process stays the same, and the income potential keeps growing. Consistency beats perfection. Here's a common trap that stops most people before they even start. Overthinking every email. They get caught up in making it perfect. The perfect subject line, the perfect design, the perfect wording, and end up not sending anything at all. But here's the truth. Perfection doesn't pay the bills. Consistency does. Your subscribers aren't looking for flawless emails. They want value, and they want it regularly. Even if you're only sending out one solid email a week, that's enough to build trust, grow your audience, and turn your newsletter into a profitable business. Think of it this way. Every email you send is another opportunity to connect with your audience, offer them something valuable, and move them one step closer to becoming loyal customers. The more often you show up in their inbox, the more they'll remember you and trust you. And don't stress about making every email a masterpiece. Some of the most successful newsletters are simple. Plain text, a quick story, a helpful tip, and a clear call to action. What matters is that you're consistent. So pick a schedule you can actually stick to. If once a week feels manageable, great. If twice a month works better for now, that's fine too. Just show up when you say you will. And over time, your audience and your income will grow. Remember, it's better to send a good email today than a perfect one never. Now you know the blueprint, but I've created a step-by-step guide that dives even deeper, complete with templates, headline formulas, and growth hacks to help you launch your first profitable newsletter. Check out the first pinned comment of the video. If you got value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. What kind of newsletter would you start? Thanks for sticking with me until the end. And remember, the best time to start building your digital income stream was yesterday. The second best time is now. Let's get to the profits.